Actually, no. I put it on after I put the eyeshadow, which is kind of weird. I feel like I should put the mascara on first and then the eyeshadow. But I don't know. I hope this live saves because I need space and I need to edit this makeup video. So you guys, am I joking or not? But I mean, I know I did get makeup on my hair, but my natural hair alone, I feel like it's like a little bit brown, like in the sun, like a little bit. So yeah. I don't know. I don't know what it's giving. If it's, is it giving cute? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know if it's giving cute. Yeah. I hope this saves. But I'm just gonna probably edit the video and then do the thumbnail. So yeah. I just can't see who's coming in. Guys, I'm trying to look cute. I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to look real cute. But yeah. These are like a week of braids and like I wish I was like very professional doing it. Hello. Hello, hello. How are you guys doing? Keep it clean in the chat. Please. And thank you guys for subscribing. But keep it clean in the chat. Appreciate everyone subscribing so far. You guys, I really want to hit 500, man. 500 or more. Thank you guys for subscribing. I really appreciate it for real. Like, I really do. Like, I'm trying to get 1,000 with okay, so the thing is with 500 subscribers, it unlocks certain features but not all features, which is like the feature it's kind of like shorts, but I don't know, maybe like some type of clips that you can subscribe to, and that's how it works. But I'm really shooting for the thousands though, the 1,000 subscribers. But I know you have to keep posting, but it's like I run out of ideas, and most things cost money to go places and do things, to give you guys something to watch. Ooh. You guys, I feel like a Barbie. Yeah, but I don't know if this page, or I keep saying this page, if this channel grows, you guys will get better like content. And I wish I could go live on TikTok, but I can't. Like, you have to like post videos. I don't know, maybe people that talk on TikTok get the views, but I don't really talk on TikTok. I don't really like to do that. It's like if you talk on there and talk about drama and stuff, I'm not that type of person. I mean, maybe I could talk about beauty, but I don't really, I don't know, I don't really do makeup like that anymore. I only did it today because I was bored. Keep it clean in the comments, guys. Yeah, guys. I don't know, but I think I might get off of here soon. Is there any way, like, hold on, let me see something.